blackout. I swear my ego about to give out. So sick of digging into my health. I know I do it all to myself. Making voices in my head, they tell me lonely is my friend instead of company. I need to slow down before I fall into a breakdown. Every time I lose my head, my enemies, I make believe. And when I'm falling back again, it's clear to see I can't defeat who's mean to me. I'm mean to me, I'm mean to me.
Time out. I swear I'm just about to burn out. I never give myself the same love that everybody's got so much of.